In 2015, I was jogging and I felt a little pain in my right side of my breast. And I felt a lump that's different than my others because I have fibrocystic dense breast tissue. And I thought, this is different. I was due for my screening mammogram. So I called Dr. Habak and I said, will you change it to a diagnostic mammogram? Well, they'll do an ultrasound along with the mammogram. And they did. And this was the first time they said, well, from the ultrasound, we want to biopsy that. I still stayed positive. I'm like, it's nothing. I didn't want to get myself in a fluster. I was working at the women's clinic at the time, and I was in a room with a patient, and I see Dr. Habak walk by, and she looks at me, and she kind of had a little tear in her eye, and she goes, can you come talk to me after you're done? And I'm like, oh, okay. So I knew it, and I went and spoke to her, and she gave me my diagnosis in such a compassionate way. She cried with me. She knew I was nervous. She just spoke to me about it, gave me hope, and just helped me be positive through it. I was stage 1 invasive ductal carcinoma. I had a hormonal receptive breast cancer. So I had a lumpectomy, I had radiation. Here I am 9.5 years later, and I'm still doing great. Knowing your breast tissue, understanding if you have dense breast tissue, what that entails, knowing when to get your screenings done, not only for your mammograms, but for your colon cancer screenings, all your different screenings that we should be having, men for prostate. Screening is everything, because if you find it early, like I did, your outcome, your prognosis is a lot better. And we have a lot of life to live. The folks that work here within our walls, that's what makes Valleywise, you know? You're here for a reason. So many people have been here many, many years, and it's because they want to, and they want to serve our population, and they have heart, they have passion, they have compassion, and that is the blessing about being here. So when you see our physicians here, many of them, the ones that I've seen at least, have treated me with that compassion and their wonderful bedside manner and their knowledge and their skill set. They're just wonderful. I love them. I do. I've cried with all of them. They're just a gift. They are. They're gems here at Valleywise Health, and I'm so grateful for each of them. I have another day to live and give. What a better gift is that, right?